Hello everyone and welcome. I think I'm going to make this a new segment. I did it last week, but I think I'm going to do it every 2 weeks. I did it 2 weeks ago, so I'm going to do this every 2 weeks. And last week on Stressing Sundays, we had people that don't put on their lights. That is something that still works on my nerves and it's still happening because I still drive on the road. And I think last night I saw 2 people and it was like 9 o'clock at night. I'm not even going to get into it. You want to go see that? I'll put the video link here. You can go see there. What's stress and let me know the stress here. This one, let's continue the theme of lighting, okay? And I got a few comments on the last one. So we get 2 kinds of people that don't use this kind of lights. And the one is, well, don't use. I'm going to say don't use and use because the one is people that drive with brights. People that drive with their brights on, okay? First of all, I may not affect you because you're blind and you can't see, so now you need your brights. Or your main beams are not working, so you drive on brights because your main beams don't work. So you drive on brights and now you blind me and I can't see shit. I can't see shit. You're driving with your brights on and I can't see shit. Now flash your ass and you're just like, I'm not gonna, well, let's just get, you don't know how to your brights work, okay? This is how they work, okay? So you put your ignition. Let's put the car on, okay? Normal lights. Normal lights, okay? Okay. Oh, no, there's our brights. Sorry. White's car, not my car. Not my car, okay? These are your lights, okay? When the brights are off, they look normal. That two lights, it's normal, okay? When your brights are on, there comes this blue light that looks a bit strange compared to the other ones. Okay, that is because your brights is on. Now your brights is on, and I'm blinding people. Okay, so when you get in your car and you do put your lights on, you're clever enough. You go, I put my lights on. You go, hey, I think my brights are on. And even if you don't think they're on, that light's on. It pretty much means it's on. It's on, okay? So you take it and you flicker off, and you go, my brights are off now. Okay. And you switch it off, and you're blinding people. You're blinding people. Don't be that person. Don't be that person, okay?
No! God, please, no! No!
And then you get people that don't adjust their lights correctly. If you don't know how to adjust your lights correctly, I have a video on how to adjust your lights correctly so you're not blinding oncoming traffic on normal beams. What? And you know, while the blood pressure is up, I'm gonna get one more one out of the way. People that don't use the bloody indicators. The bloody indicators. Now listen, okay? The name of the stuff is called indicators. What are they there for? To indicate, okay? So you use them to what? Indicate. Wow, a genius, absolute genius. So when you want to make a turn, or you're thinking about making a turn, or you're coming up to a turn, and you go, hey, I think I want to turn here. You know what you do? Flick on your indicators. You want to know what they are? I'm going to show you. 2 sticks or 1 stick on your car. With my car, it's only 1 stick on this side. But on her car, it has, see that? That is directions, okay? Turn, you take that device, that stick on the side of the car. Some cars don't have it, okay? Some cars don't come with a stick. It's an optional extra in some cars. BMW is, sorry, a little bit of stuffy up here. You want to turn left or right, and you know you want to turn. You don't wait till like on the turn. You don't wait till on the. You wait till you well before the turn because there's cars behind you. There's people behind you. There's other people that you have to worry about. Not just yourself. Okay, not just yourself. Don't be arrogant. Don't be like self-centered. You go, listen here. There are other people occupying this earth too. Okay, let me tell them that you know what I'm gonna turn. Maybe they got other things going on. Maybe the guy's stress, blood pressure, guys. The blood pressure. Anyway, you take this little sticky thing, okay, and you want to go to the side, okay. There, you put it on, and then you see that. What is that, amazing? What is that?
Oh my God! Wow!
What is that thing doing there? Okay, what is? You know what that thing is doing? It's doing this. It's doing this. You see what's happening? It's flashing. It's flashing. What does this tell you? Okay, it tells me, oh, this car wants to go this way. The people behind you can see, and hopefully if your lights are working on the front, the people in front can see that you want to turn too, because if they are waiting at the street and going, hey, Why never go wants to turn? Yes, it does want to turn because the bloody indicator is on. It's just, you know, double check. You are here, you might as well. Look at the other side. Look at that. Isn't that just absolutely amazing? Okay, it's flicking, and then while you're here, you check. Ah, it works. Okay, I'm indicating. That's what it means. And then you see, person is turning. Oh, I know the person wants to turn. So I'm gonna, that's just, I got 2 things off my chest. 2 things off my chest, and I can calm down for the rest of the day. And you guys can too. So remember, don't drive with your brights on. Okay? I just need to calm down, guys. And second of all, use your indicators. Use your indicators nice well before the time. Even if you decide, no, you're not going to turn mid-turn, or you're not going to turn before the turn, you're like, oh, not this turn. Put your indicators on accordingly and with well enough time. I've been behind people that literally turn, and as they turn, they put the indicators on. They just... What does that do to me? Now I got to brake. I got to change gear when I'm a manual car. I don't know. Not even forget about people that brake lights don't work. People being brake lights don't even work, man. Fix them. How am I gonna know you won't stop? How am I gonna know? Oh, you busy stopping and I'm busy coming at the speed. Don't even, people brake. Fix your shit, man.
Stop it. Get some help.
I don't know, guys. If you agree, please like and subscribe down below. And I'm gonna try and calm down. I will see you guys in the next video. Thank you for watching Stressing Sundays. I think I'm gonna do this twice, so maybe 2 weeks or 3 weeks, whatever, but it's gonna fall on a Sunday. But anyways, yeah, I'm out. I'm gonna see you guys. I need to calm down. Wooosaaaa.